Hey! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this smartphone. First of all, select an app like Play Store and click on the square button. Now you need to tap on the icon of your app and select split screen. Then click on the other app, for example settings. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging the first app upwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!